Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene. Let's talk about some stuff. One thing hate to hear somebody say that's an entrepreneur or have a home-based business is that they're not making a profit. I understand the sense of not making a profit in the sense of money from somebody else's hand to your hand, in exchange for your product. I do understand that, right? And then there are cases many times when people may not be in the right space, they may not be tapped into the right market in order to earn some type of income from what it is that they do. However, as a home business, and if you're a registered home business as a sole proprietor, as a LLC or a corporation, you got tax benefits. There's a whole lot of deductible expenses that you could be writing off. So if you're not making any type of money in your hand, like from dollars and cents, you do have deductibles that you could be writing off. One is your rent. Another is your mortgage interest. Another is utilities. Another is depreciation of assets. And depreciation of assets is like any type of equipment, vehicles that you may use to do your business, any tools or anything that depreciates over time. And I do know like a lot of people are using different equipment to make maybe leather jewelry, metal jewelry, and things like that. And those different equipment and tools that you guys are using, that stuff becomes obsolete a year and 2 years later. So what does that become? It becomes a depreciated asset. And that's something that you can write off. That's deductible, right? Not only that, there's all other type of things that you could be writing off. You could be writing off supplies and equipment, like the same supplies that you have to buy in order to operate that equipment. Those are things that you could be writing off. Those things are all deductible in order to make your business function and go. They're deductible. You should be benefiting two ways or one or the other. If you're not making any type of income right now at this moment with your business in the sense of dollars and cents, you should be writing off some things, right? Not also meals. You can write off 50% of your meals. And anytime you go to lunch, dinner, or to grab a Starbucks or something like that, and that conversation is about business, that has become a business meal. So if you like going to fast food restaurants or going out to dinner with your family, friends, and foes or whoever you go with, those are meals that you can write off 50% as long as you have had a conversation about your business. And it could be as simple as something just introducing, hey, did you guys know I got a website? Oh no, what kind of website you got? Well, my business is I make handmade boho jewelry for men, women, and children. Da 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 da. And however that conversation goes, right? You have just had a business meeting. As long as you communicated something about your business, that's a business meal, right? And then y'all can go on with the rest of your time and the rest of your day. So it goes for trips. If you go on a trip with your family and a portion of that time have been talking to individuals about your business and sharing um, your QR codes with people and like whatever and whatever, that's deductible. A portion of that is deductible. All this stuff is deductible. So there's no way as a business owner you should be saying that I'm losing 100%. There's no way you should be losing 100%. So if you're not getting cash and coins on the back end with your taxes, you should be benefiting that way until you absolutely begin to start making, some money. So, don't let all this little benefits and stuff pass you by. But anyway, don't just be doing what you're doing and doing what you're doing in the blind. Get yourself educated about some things. I am not a tax attorney. I do not do any type of accounting or anything like such. We are basically talking about basic, common information that entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, home businesses, individuals should absolutely already know about. Go to the irs.gov website, read up on whatever you can read out, and pay for courses. Don't be afraid to pay for courses. If you got to pay 50, 60, 100, $200 to learn about tax information, pay that money so you can learn that stuff. I mean, I will never understand why people don't like paying for things, especially if it's just going to make you better and get you more educated about things that you need to know about, right? But anyway, I just want to stop by and share that. And guess what? We'll talk.